In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off message pane on Thunderbird. If your inbox feels cramped or you'd prefer not to preview messages automatically, turning off the message pane gives you more room to focus on your message list and helps protect your privacy in shared spaces. We'll walk through it in a few clear clicks, and I'll point out what to expect so nothing catches you off guard. First, open Thunderbird on your computer. Once it launches, click on your inbox so it's the active view. Having a mail folder selected ensures the layout options we're about to use are available and apply to the place you actually spend your time. Next, look to the top right corner of Thunderbird for the menu icon, often shown as three horizontal lines. Click that to open the main app menu. From here, move down to the View option. View controls how things look and behave on screen, so it's the right place for layout changes. After clicking View, choose Layout. This is where Thunderbird groups the controls for how panes are arranged, including the option to show or hide the preview area. In the Layout submenu, click Message Pane. When it's enabled, you'll see a checkmark next to it and messages will preview in the lower pane as you click through your list. Clicking it again removes the checkmark and turns the message pane off. The change happens immediately. The lower preview area collapses, your message list gets more vertical space, and messages no longer open in the preview automatically. From now on, double-click any email in your list to open it in a separate tab or window when you're ready, which can reduce accidental reads and speed up triage. If you don't see the message pane option, make sure the inbox is selected and you're in the mail view, then reopen the menu and try again. You can always come back to the same menu path to turn it back on later. You may also notice an option related to save passwords in your menu. If you decide to click Save Passwords, you'll see entries Thunderbird uses to sign into your accounts. You can select a specific entry and click Remove, or choose Remove All to clear everything. Keep in mind that removing saved passwords means you'll need to re-enter credentials the next time Thunderbird connects, so only proceed if you're intentionally cleaning up stored sign-ins. That's it. You've turned off the message pane, reclaimed space in your inbox, and learned how to manage saved passwords if you need to. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused Thunderbird layout.